한국어를 배우는 최고의 길, 바로 No More Korean입니다. 저는 지금 나야가라 폭포에 나와 있습니다. 제가 직접 나야가라 폭포를 나와 보니까 너무 멋있고 정말 장관인 풍경을 직접 확인했는데요. 다른 분들도 기회가 되신다면 나야가라 폭포는 꼭 한번 오셔서 여행해 보시길 추천드리겠습니다. 오늘도 한국어를 사람들에게 알리고 한국어를 배워보는 시간을 가져볼 건데요. 오늘 배울 단어는 충전. 충전이란 단어로 사람들과 한국어를 같이 배워보는 시간을 가져보겠습니다. 그럼 얼마나 많은 분들이 충전에 대해서 알고 계실지 함께 가보실까요?
Set me on fire, striking a match on my lips, hot like June, cutting the wire, shutting the lights off in this room. Don't you feel it too? Heartbeat go like boom, boom, boom.
오늘은 제 옆에 이렇게 훌륭한 청년이 나와 있습니다. You're so handsome, by the way. Thank you for our show. 지금부터 저희 인터뷰를 같이 함께 해보실 건데요. 한번 한국에 대해서 질문을 시작해 볼게요. We are called No More Korean. We are promoting our language and our culture. Thank you for having an interview with us.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Could you tell us your name?
My name is Anthony.
Anthony, where are you from?
Cuba.
Cuba? When did you come here?
I came when I was 2 to Miami and
Oh.
not coming to visit. Came with my mom,
Uh-huh.
brother, and my stepdad and stepbrother.
What comes to your mind first?
I think like a movie.
Oh, movie. Have you watched any Korean movie before?
I think I have.
You have?
I think, yeah.
If there is a movie on TV, can you recognize that it's Korean if it is on?
I don't know if it's Korean, but I think it's called like Karate Kid or something like that.
Ah.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Do you do karate?
No, I used to do martial arts. But
Oh, well, you know what it is.
yeah.
That is good. Also, do you know Korean K-pop singers?
BTS.
Oh, BTS.
Stray Kids. And all
Stray
that.
Kids, wow. Can you sing a little bit?
Nah, I don't
No,
think so.
they're shy. Actually, we're gonna give you a quiz about Korean language, and if you give us the right answer, we will give you a prize. Do you wanna try? Yeah, let's go. It's gonna be a bit difficult for you, tricky, but just take a wild guess. Good luck. So, in Korean, there is a word chungjeon. If you hear from me, what comes to your mind?
I don't know, like
Greeting, greeting, yeah, simple guess, right? 이거는 좀 어려운 단어이기 때문에 바로 제가 보기를 주는 게 좋을 것 같습니다. So I'm gonna give you 3 choices, by the way. It's easier for you. So number 1, to charge. Number 2, to walk. Number 3, to eat. What number do you think?
number 1
Number 1, what was that?
to charge.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
한 번에 맞춰주셨네요. Yes, that is the correct answer. Wow! How did you know?
I took it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was the right answer. Can you repeat after me once more? 충전.
Chungjeon.
That's correct. What does that meaning?
Charge.
To charge. Yes. Here comes your prize. Here you go. Thank you so much. And I'll introduce our channel, YouTube channel. If you scan, you can have all the information here. Thank you, beautiful. Hope you have a good day today. Thank you. Bye.
Let me tell you about chungjeon. Chungjeon is a Korean word that means charging, recharging, or to charge. It refers to the process of supplying energy to a device, such as a phone or battery, to restore its power. This word is commonly used in everyday conversations when talking about electronic devices. A commonly used phrase is 배터리를 충전하다, which means to charge a battery. Another phrase is 휴대폰을 충전하다, meaning to charge a mobile phone. Let's talk about it together. 충전, 충전, 충전.
이번 영상을 보신 분들이라면 충전이 무슨 뜻인지 알게 되셨을 것 같습니다. 충전하다, 충전이라고 사용이 됩니다. 제 뒤로 보이는 곳이 바로 나야가라 폭포입니다. 카메라에 얼마나 예쁘게 많이 담길지 모르겠지만 굉장히 장관입니다. 그리고 아래에 보트 투어를 하시는 분들도 있으신데요. 꼭 기회가 되신다면 나야가라 폭포에 나오셔서 한번 경험을 해보시길 추천드립니다. 그러면 저희는 다음 장소로 이동을 해서 계속해서 한국어 퀴즈에 대해서 질문을 하는 시간을 가져보겠습니다. 다음 장소에서 새로운 단어로 만나 뵙도록 하겠습니다. 안녕!